Hey guys, let's see how to add the Tapo C211 to Alexa so you can watch on an Echo Show, just like the one that I have here. And you see that my camera is already working with the Tapo app. That's the first step. As long as you have the Tapo camera working here with your cell phone, then you can just set up on Alexa, okay? So here, I just come to the Alexa app, and I just need to add a new skill. So I just come here to the menu, Skill and Games. And from here, I just need to look for Tapo. That's the one. And here, I just need to enable to use and link the account. So just tap on it, enable to use. And here, gonna link the account. So just select here and tap on agree and link. And the account is linked, right? So next here. And then Alexa is going to look for the device in the network. If you already have done that before, it's not gonna find it here, right? Because it's already added to Alexa, just like mine, because I just removed the skill and I put it back. The first time that you do this, you're gonna see Alexa finding the device here and you're good to go, okay? Then you just hit next and you're good to go. You're gonna find your camera here available, like the Tapo C211, right? And I'm good to go. But now what I have to do is just rename the device. You see here, an extra information, Alexa connected to the Tapo 211, and I'm good to go. But now it's better to have a different name for the device. So see here, I have Tapo C211, and with a different name would be better. So you can call by the name. So I just come here to rename my device. So I'm just remove this name here and change to something easy like window. Okay, so I can have my window camera. There we go. And then if I come back to Alexa, let's see if I can find the devices here by this name. I have here window. There we go. It's updated on Alexa now. Okay, let me just try now. Here, unmute Alexa and ask, Alexa, show window camera.
Did you mean window?
Yes.
Okay.
There we go. You see there's the audio loop here, okay? But it's connected, okay? So super, super simple. Basically, that's the way you can do also with your Fire TV or your Fire tablet. As long as you have it added to Alexa here, you can just ask to display whatever you want, right? So super simple. That's the way you can connect your Tapo C211 to Alexa and display on an Echo Show, all right? I hope that helps. Give your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.